So hey there, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to post and be consistent on your channel using Buffer. So I'll walk you through how to create a posting schedule with time slots in Buffer. So your content goes out at the right time and every time. So without wasting time, let's get started. So posting randomly won't get you the results you want. So time slots helps you plan your content calendar and ensure your posts go out during peak engagement hours. So Buffer allows you to predefine these times so each post gets scheduled faster. So to do that, you log in into your Buffer, then you go to this section where you click on publish. You go to this section where there's this icon that is calendar. Click on it like that, then immediately it will pop up. On this section, you can hover around on which day of the week that you want to schedule your post. Let's say, for example, I want to schedule our tomorrow's post. So I'll come here and click add. Then once I click add, I'll go to this create post. I will click on the channel that I want to put the post there. Then I can type in anything that I want to post. Then from there, I can go ahead and click on schedule post. So once I click on schedule post, it will immediately take me to this section where we can have to post immediately or or not, or you can post it later. So it is here. You can see on Friday it has come here at what time? 12 a.m. So when I click on it like this, I can still come and publish it now, or I can edit it, or I can also more action here. I can move it to draft. I can also duplicate, or I can also go ahead and change the time, customize the time that I want to see my content published. So that's how you can slot your content in Buffer to make sure that you stay consistent and get better results with less effort. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more content tips, and tell me in the comments what is your best time to post. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.